Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to silent group notification turn on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Here you have to click on this three dot, then click on setting, and here you have to move on notification, then scroll down to group notification. Okay, so click on it, then click on ringtones. Okay, if you didn't get this feature at first, you have to off your net. Okay, then only this feature will enter. Okay, at first you have to off your net. Okay, enable your net. Okay, then you have to click on don't set ringtone, and here you have to click on this apply option. Okay, don't set ringtone, just click on apply and it will be silent your group notification turn on WhatsApp. Okay, just click on apply, don't set ringtone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.